Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, in today's video, you will going to see many ideas of blue heels. So let's start our video. So blue heels are a type of footwear that typically refers to high heel shoes or sandals with a blue color. So they come in various styles and designs, and their characteristics can vary depending on the specific brand, fashion trends and personal preferences. So I will give you some key details about blue heels. So first come design and style. Blue heels come in a wide range of designs and styles. They may have different heel heights such as stilettos, wedges, block heels or kitten heels. The shoe itself can be open-toed, closed-toed, peep-toed or even boots with high heels. Next we will discuss the materials which can use to make blue heels. So blue heels can be made from various materials including leather, suede, patent leather, fabric or synthetic materials. So the choice of material often affects the shoe's appearance and comfort. Next we will discuss the occasions on which you can use blue heels. So blue heels can be worn for various occasions. They can be a stylish choice for formal events like weddings, parties or corporate functions. They can also add a pop of color to casual outfits. Next we will discuss the point which matching outfits you can use for blue heels. So coordinating blue heels with the rest of your outfit is essential. They can complement different colors such as black, white, grey or even other shades of blue. So the choice of outfit and accessories can greatly influence your overall look. So high heels are not always the most comfortable footwear. It's important to consider factors like arch support, cushioning and the shape of the heel to ensure a comfortable fit. So I will give you some care and maintenance tips. Like any other shoes, blue heels require proper care and maintenance. Protecting them from dirt, moisture and scuffs is essential to keep them looking good and prolong their lifespan. So now let's discuss some fashion trends. So fashion trends can influence the popularity and design of blue heels. Different shades of blue heels may become more fashionable in certain seasons, and unique features or embellishments may be in vogue. Some individuals offer custom-made blue heels to match their specific preferences, ensuring a fit perfect and unique design. So blue heels are a versatile and stylish footwear option that can be worn for various occasions. They come in a wide array of designs, materials and heel heights, allowing individuals to express their unique fashion sense. Care, comfort and outfit coordination are important aspects to consider when choosing and wearing blue heels. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. See you soon. Hello friends.